Clean higher, clean further, clean better with the 3100 PSI pressure washer from Excell. An easy-to-start, heavy-duty 212cc Excell gas engine gets you ready to go right away. 5 color-coded quick connect nozzles ensure you achieve the perfect spray for any project. A low-pressure soap nozzle and a flow of 2.8 gallons per minute makes quick work of those areas that need extra cleaning. Regardless of your job location, 10-inch never flat wheels, a low center of gravity, and a 25-foot high-pressure hose provide easy access and maneuverability. A stainless steel ergonomic wand and a 3100 PSI premium brass head pump promote long life and reliability. Built-in nozzle holders and onboard hose and spray gun hooks make for simple transportation and compact storage. So whether it's a grimy driveway, a muddy car, or dirty siding for your next cleaning project and beyond, look no further than the 3100 PSI gas pressure washer from Excell.